if we take refuge in the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha, out of the three refuge, the most important is the Dharma, because the Dharma is what really saves us from us. It is what saves the loved ones from us harming anyone around us, them or anyone else. So when we take refuge in the Dharma, one of it is to recognize karma. When you recognize karma, you will accept the fact that other people can do better because they put in the effort. Look, if you're psychologically always scared, you don't want to offend people, and you don't want to push yourself to do more because you don't want to offend, your fear of not offending people offends people. So therefore, when you are so worried about offending people, you're so worried about other people in the wrong way, you don't benefit many more people that you could have. We are doing something to benefit others, then it must be free of the 8 worldly dharmas. One of them is to receive praise or appreciation. Now, if we're doing things with the motivation of ourselves, pretending or feigning or thinking we want to benefit others, but that's not really the motivation, then we will not feel happy if we don't get appreciated. We can check our minds. What are we doing it for? If another person does something good and we feel jealous, definitely it is a clear indication that we are not doing our actions with the benefit of others in mind, that we are doing our actions for one of the 8 worldly dharmas, for example, praise and recognition, or material benefit. So if we always live our life according to the 8 worldly dharmas, we will always have jealousy, we will always have the lack of peace of mind, or sadness, or loneliness. One of the direct results that one can have as a result of having the 8 worldly dharmas intact, which is very bad, is moodiness. And the bad thing is, if we let this jealous energy or jealous thought or mind or attitude remain, it's very harmful.